Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this AI bulb from Gyliziex. Okay, so this is an indoor camera. I do want to thank Gyliziex for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is an AI camera that is able to film in HD quality. It's got contextual AI. You've also got a wide angle view, so you're going to get a complete 180-degree field of view. You've got intelligent auto tracking, so when you do walk past this camera, it actually tracks. You've got an easy installation, you've got two-way audio, and it also has a 5 and 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. It also is micro SD compatible, I believe. So with that micro SD support, you are able to record onto a micro SD. But even so, this is able to be mounted on the wall. And with it, I've had no problems with this camera whatsoever. So I am quite excited to use it as far as having it film when my dogs are at home. But check it out for yourselves. I'd say the two-way audio is important, and the field of view being a wide angle view is also equally important as well.